Violet. This guy just does whatever she wants. Like, dirt, I know, she controls the food. Come on, Violet. Don't violate him. Violet the violator. Look at her with her tail, like, all like... Poor guy. I leave that backless chair on purpose so he doesn't, boom, run into it, but he can jump on the table. I know, it's a very toxic situation, huh? Violet, she just looks at my hand. How about that? So entertaining. Just eat it, Violet. Quit tripping on everything. She hears something. What's that over there? A piece of garlic? What's that? Oh, yeah, it's a garlic hair. Ready? One more. That means I gotta get 2 more, damn it. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready? 1 for you and 1 for you. Eat it, Violet. You're a stinker.